Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine at your home, and I hope you must have seen the videos of chapter 1, 2 and 3. Today we are going to learn chapter 4, that is living and non-living. I request you to keep your science books in front of you so that you may relate to the topic. So let's start. In this chapter, we will learn about living things and non-living things and how living things are different from non-living things. As you know that our earth is full of wonderful things. There are humans, animals, plants, flowers, birds, roads, cars, bridges, buildings, air and water. As you can see all these things in the picture. We can see two things around us. Either the thing is a natural thing which is naturally present in the environment, or it's a man-made thing. What are man-made things? Some of the things like cars, buildings, roads, bridges, these are made by humans. So they are called man-made things. As you can see, for example, a table, a fan, house, a pencil, bridge or a car. It is made up of humans. All these things are made by a man. So these things are called man-made things. Now what are natural things? Things like animals, plants, rocks, clouds, the sun, the moon, the stars have not been made by humans. Nature has given us. Okay, these things are being given by nature. So these things are called natural things. These things are present naturally in the environment. Now living things. There can be three living things: humans, plants and animals. Now how living things are different from non-living things? Living things are different from non-living things in many ways. As living things move, they grow, they need food, they feel, they can breathe, they can reproduce, but non-living things cannot. Let's see. Living things move. The movement of living things shows that they are alive, as birds and insects can fly, dogs and cats walk, fish swim, plants like touch me not, as you can see in the figure, it is also called mimosa plant, show slow movement when you touch it. Okay, the leaves are being closed. The sunflower turns towards the sun. So the movement is being shown by the living things but not by non-living things. So hence we can say that only living things can move on their own. But have you seen a table moving by itself? No. So non-living things cannot move by itself. Next is living things grow. All the living things grow. As you can see in the picture, that a human baby grows into an adult. A chick grows into a hen, and a small plant, a baby plant, grows into a big tree. So this shows that living things grow. And so have you seen a computer or a doll or rocks, air to grow? Have you seen them growing? No. So they are non-living things and they do not grow. Now living things need food. As human needs food to live, Food help us to grow. Animals get their food from plants or other animals, and most of the plants make their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Does your doll or anything around you non-living thing need food? No, it does not. So, it is not a living thing. Only living things need food. Now, living things can feel. For example, a cat purrs when you stroke it. Stroke means when you move your hand gently over the cat. Or a dog barks at a stranger. When a dog sees a stranger, it barks. Or plants grow towards the light, facing the sun as the sunflower grows. Humans can laugh, they cry, they get angry, and they can feel pain. So we all can do these things. Okay. So this means that living things can feel. But however, if you must have seen your toys, they do not cry when you throw them on the floor. That means they are non-living things. They cannot feel anything. Next is living things can breathe. Humans cannot live without breathing. They need air to breathe. And different animals need different breathing organs. Like some animals need lungs to breathe, while other animals need gills, and some need air holes to breathe. For this, you can cover your nose and sit for a minute. Can you stay without breathing? No, not even for 3 or 4 seconds. So this means that living things breathe. Now take your teddy bear or take a toy or take your doll and cover its nose. Nothing will happen to them. This means that non-living things do not breathe. Now living things reproduce. As a bird lay eggs, baby birds comes out of the eggs. You must have seen. Most new plants grow from the seeds. Human beings and some animals, they give birth to babies. So living things only living things can reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. So these were the basic differences between living things and non-living things. Now let's see what all things we have learned. In our world, there are living and non-living things. Things made by humans are called man-made things. Living things include humans, animals and plants. Living things can move, grow, eat, feel, breathe and reproduce, but non-living things cannot do all such things. So, this was the end of the chapter. Now the assignment related to the topics, there is a worksheet attached in the description box with the question answers and the exercises. So you may find it there. Till the time, study at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, wash your hands again and again. Thank you.